we delve into the discussion about DepEd updates and the future of education, may your divine wisdom illuminate our minds and guide our decisions so that we may continue to provide quality education that empowers and uplifts our students. In the midst of our deliberations, Lord, grant us moments of joy and camaraderie as we unwind and socialize with our fellow academicians. May our interactions be filled with laughter, encouragement, and a deep sense of community. Bless this gathering, O Lord, and may it be fruitful in fostering unity, innovation, and excellence in education. May your presence be felt in every conversation, every decision, and every interaction we have today. We offer this prayer in your holy name. Amen.
Thinking ahead. Indeed, leaders must see the forest, the whole picture. And today, we are privileged to have leaders who are visionary.
Again, my name is Ms. Elise and I'm here to introduce our second speaker. So our second speaker is a pure Caviteño residing at Trece Martires, an achiever since 1990s. Nakita yung edad ni Sir. And is currently completing his master's degree in public administration at Philippine Christian University with 7 years in public service. So the current Planning Officer 3 of the Bacoor City Division, Mr. John Del M. Baculod. Sorry, sir. So, pag hindi po siya kilala ng inyong mga registrars, naku po, principals and admins, magtaka na po kayo. Thank you po, sir.